We have all experienced moments of solitude, with the right choice or circumstance. Some seek it out, find enlightenment and self-discovery in the quiet. However, for others, solitude isn't a choice. They're left alone without anyone reaching out. Yet they hesitate to initiate contact, fearing they may inconvenience others. This reluctance can lead to loneliness, a cycle where neither party takes the initiative. But this video isn't solely about the negatives. Being friendless isn't necessarily a negative at all. In fact, not having friends can open doors to new experiences. Embracing solitary pursuits allows for exploration, where unexpected connections can blossom from shared interests. It's perfectly alright to lack friends, to have lost touch with old ones, or to have drifted apart. Reaching out to reconnect is always an option, as true friendship transcends time and distance. Friendship isn't just about constant communication. It's about mutual understanding and the ability to pick up where you left off, even after years apart. Whether you never had friends or questioned the depth of past connections, remember, it's okay. There's nothing inherently wrong with you, nor with others. Solitude can be a period of growth and self-discovery, and friendships, when they come, will be all the more meaningful for it.